And tomorrow I have to be here quite early for a competition. As long as we all have to do a qualifying, and so as long as we make it into qualifying, we'll try to see what happens and see if we can go through to the main event. Oh no! My car just died. It feels fine all of a sudden again, which is weird. It just feels really strange. It's like under load, it doesn't want to do something. Maybe that's the issue. Good morning, boys. We are back today for day 6 of Japan and Ebisu shenanigans. Micah's grabbing 6 tires from hotel right now, and I'm grabbing the rental car because we're gonna go load up those last 6 that we have. We're starting to get nervous because we brought 40 tires. That's too many, I think, right now. I thought we were gonna go through tires faster. So yeah, there's that. And then I wasn't sure how long they would last. And the tires that we purchased we're really happy with because they're lasting longer than we thought. Super sick. Everything's really good. We might just have to sell a few, and then maybe I can keep a few for our next trip. I'm gonna go pick up those tires for Micah, get him in the car. We're gonna go to Denny's, grab some breakfast, and then straight to the racetrack. Let's go. There's our beautiful stack of tires. Alrighty, boys, Mike and I are back at Ebisu. Are you stoked to drive, dude?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Hell yeah, we're ready to go get some tandems in. We have to mount your side skirt, so a side skirt was kind of falling off yesterday, so we're just gonna put some more 3M tape on that, and maybe a self-tapper if we absolutely have to, a new zip tie, and we should be good. And then probably go to Nishi, see what they're running. Definitely hit North Course a couple times today, and yeah, just try to have a great time. That's the plan. Super sick chaser there, looks brand new. There's also a super 6 A86 over here, and tomorrow I have to be here quite early for a competition. As long as we all have to do a qualifying, and so as long as we make it into qualifying, we'll try to see what happens and see if we can go through to the main event. Alrighty, boys, we are back at the track. Let's check out the cars. Oh yeah, Mike is sexy. S14 350Z. Hopefully it runs and drives great today. Hopefully we have no issues. We shall see. But yeah, we're gonna get these girls going, get some cameras set up. I broke our little swivel mount yesterday, so I gotta JB weld that before we go anywhere. Mike has got a few things to do. I have a few little setup things to do, so we're gonna get ourselves set up, and then we're gonna go find some tracks and do some driving. Keep you guys posted soon. Alrighty, boys, Mike and I are at Nishi right now. We are about to go get some freaking laps in. Let's do it. We are running Nishi backwards today, and I don't mean backwards like the layout last year. Totally separate layout for this year. Oh no! My car just died. Bad news bears, guys. Bad news bears. We still have an issue. We are now in limp mode again. Very unfortunate. And I don't know what's going on here, but we got to get out of here. Oh man, I don't know how to get out of here safely. I wonder if we can go around. Super unfortunate because I was really hoping to get some laps in there, and the car felt great on the way here, so I don't know what's going on. Try to turn it off, turn it back on. Yeah, so it feels fine all of a sudden again, which is weird. It just feels really strange. It's like under load, it doesn't want to do something. Maybe that's the issue. I'm gonna go back down to our pits, and we are gonna see what we can do and try to fix what we can. All right, guys, I believe that we have a throttle body issue. We could have the throttle body could be broken. It could be not working. It does seem a little clickety-clackety. We also probably need to reset the throttle body sensor itself, so there's like a manual process to reset this thing. Before we even do that and go that route, I'm gonna clean it. So we're gonna clean it, then we're gonna reset it, then we're gonna put it all back together. So this is what I got. I have our intake off and over here. This is just out of the way. Now remember we replaced the map sensor yesterday, and I cleaned the entire inside of that thing. This guy, I cleaned out the best I could on this side, but I didn't do anything on the other side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off this connector right now. This one right back here, hopefully. There we go. We're gonna take these 4 bolts out. We're not gonna lose any of them. We're gonna pop off our throttle body. We're gonna clean the crap out of it. Then we're gonna put it back together and we're gonna see how this goes. And I don't have a new gasket, so we're gonna have to reuse the old one. Be very careful, and if that fails, we're gonna end up using RTV. That's the plan, boys. I'll keep you posted on what I come up with.
Few moments later.
Guys, here is our throttle body. You guys can see pretty well there. And then look at how bad that is on the inside. It's like black. So compared to this side, pretty good. This side is disgusting. It's coated in oil, which is coming from our PCV valve, which is this guy, which should be plugged, but we don't have a plug for it, so therefore we can't really plug it right now. I'd love to plug it and cap this off. I just do not have anything to do that with. And I thought we brought plugs with us, but I can't find them, so I have no idea. Tried to find plugs yesterday. Couldn't find any yesterday at the auto parts stores here. Yeah, if we had a plug, I'd plug that right away, because I think that it's definitely contributing to our problem here. Anyhow, long story short, let's keep going. I'm gonna clean up this side. I'm gonna clean up the gasket. We're gonna clean up this, and then we're gonna plug it all back in. Then we're gonna reset the throttle, and then we're gonna try and see how everything feels. If it all feels good, we can kind of chalk it up to this being the issue. If it doesn't feel good, then we need to keep going and keep diving in, and I have some other things to try. Well, we're just gonna do one step at a time and go from there. Hopefully this throttle body is not bad, because I do not have a replacement right now with me. All right, guys, I think we have solved the problem, but let's figure it out. Micah's gonna go ahead in the car. He's gonna tap the throttle very slowly. He's gonna turn the car not on, but he's gonna turn to the ignition, so all the lights are on. Turn it all the way without the car on perfect. And now slowly go ahead, and you're gonna just press down on the throttle, and what we're gonna do is check that blade. Go ahead. Are you pressing on the throttle? All the way down. All the way down. Okay, see how it's not moving? It's supposed to be moving. So therefore we do have some issues with the throttle body for sure. Micah had some really good runs out there today. He had some issues though. He did boop his wheel, so we are now missing a chunk of this girl, but she's still holding air good. This one's fine. He did break a tie rod today, which was cool. He ended up replacing both of them. As far as the 350Z goes, we have diagnosed this thing, and the diagnosis came back that it's definitely for sure a throttle body. At least that's the next step. So there might be another issue, but the throttle body for sure is an issue. So that's the next step. So we're trying to source one right now in Japan. Hopefully we can get one today, tomorrow at the latest, maybe. We'll see. In the meantime, we have tires for sale because we have way too many tires left over. So we've already started selling some to our friends. And yeah, we're gonna try to get back on track as soon as possible. I have a couple people looking for me, and I'm looking myself. So if we can get a throttle body sourced, we will definitely do that and then have that thing in the car tomorrow. Unfortunately, we're not gonna have it done by 7 p.m. tonight. So with that being said, we probably will not have an opportunity to run in G1 GP tomorrow, which is okay. I mean, things happen. We'll definitely be back in November, hopefully more prepared and, you know, better driving than ever, and compete then. That's the plan as of right now. We're gonna go try to find a throttle body. We're gonna go to all the local Nissan stores near Fukushima, see what we can do, and that's the plan. So with that being said, boys, this is a wrap. That's day 6. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Till then, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.